So let me do my bed and then we proceed to other activities. My pillowcases, but I can't see one. I can only find one. It's supposed to be a pair, but I can't find one of them for some reason. White went. Anyway, that's one of them. Then the other one, I don't know when I'm gonna find it, but whatever time I find it, I'm gonna put it. This one is actually torn, but I don't care. I don't use it so much, so I'll just wing it. Let me look for the other one. Found it. Yeah, it is. Oh god, it's so big. They're gonna fit here. Now moving on to the table. This is the situation which I have to deal with. I'm done wiping the table. Now I'm going to wash the utensils. I'm gonna take you guys with me, of course. Let me refill this inakukamamisha. Looks like it's almost out. So I have a full bottle here. So that's what I'm gonna refill. I like to add water, like to dilute it a little bit. So yeah, I like to dilute it. Let me open this. That it's easier. Into this one which I've added here, I'm gonna add some water and then I'm gonna shake it up. I just like it like this because it's, I think, more manageable for me. I'm gonna wipe the stove because I don't really feel like it has been. So I just pour down some dishwash on the stove and then I scrub it. So I'm moving on to my fridge. I first of all like to remove everything that is inside. So there's a lot of crap. So this is how it looks like. There are no eggs. There's milk. There's milk. There's juice. Like this is how it looks like. The freezer looks like that. I have frozen some milk. So I'm gonna take everything out first. Put it on the table, and then we're gonna like start trying to clean it up. So guys, I have already like taken off everything from the fridge. So I want to like remove all these tins so that I can wash them. So I'm gonna do that in a spray bottle, and then we're going to wash the fridge. And also I'm gonna put some dish soap. Yeah, why not? Fish, yani. Moving on to washing the fridge, you're gonna need spray bottle. This one has whatever. Then you're gonna need dish soap. I'm using this one by Ushindi, a part of dish soap. Then hot water. This is pre-boiled hot water. I'm going to put it in the spray bottle. Make sure it's not too hot. I don't know if it will burn this thing. But they said hot water, and then like now you're going to need a towel. This thing is hot. It's metallic something. So I'm gonna hold it with a serviette. I'm going to wash. Oh god, it's burning. So I had to hold it with another towel because it's gonna burn my fingers. And then I'm gonna spray this inside the freezer part. And then I'm gonna scrub it a little bit with this scoring sheet. So I'm done washing it with the soap. Just gonna wipe it off with clear water. So I just put clean water in this tin. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to make it. So I'm gonna add 1 part of salt like that. That's too much. Like ish. This much. I don't know. Maybe to disinfect or something. Then now I'm gonna use a microfiber towel, very soft towel, to wipe down the soap. Most of it has just run down. I'm going to leave it open for some time so that it can just aerate. Yeah, so that's about it for my fridge. I'm just gonna like wash the floors now because before I organize the fridge. Yep. Hey guys, so I ran for some time. So this is how I make my my mixture for washing the floors. I have this white powder that really cleans out tiles really well. Let me show you. So this is how it looks. So I just put it on the floor, or I can put it in the water. And then I have detergent. I'm using the Sunlight detergent. I'm gonna put a little bit in the water, like that much. And then I also like to put in some bleach. So this is the bleach that I will use. It's Perfect Colors. Then that's stir it a bit, and then this is what I'm gonna use to wash my house. I typically use a rag. So let's wash the floor. Hi guys, so I finished cleaning. Everything is nice and clean. Just want to organize my fridge and then call it a night because I'm so tired. Just want to take a shower and hop in bed. I don't even know what I'm going to eat, but I'm just so tired. So I'm gonna organize my fridge back again, and then I will show you guys how it looks like. I can take you guys with me, but I'm not really sure it will take I'm not really sure it will be good coverage, but set it on minimum so that it doesn't produce too much ice. Yeah, there. I will have to restock on some eggs because I don't have those, but other than that I have arranged the fridge and it looks nice and organized. Barely has nothing, but we're gonna restock. It's been a really long day. I'm so tired, but thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.